Changing the email link to your Epic Games account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select the email address section. In the account settings, find the General tab. Look for the section labeled email address where your current email is displayed. Step 4. Change your email address. Click on the edit button next to your email address. Enter your new email address and confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Step 5. Verify your new email. After submitting the change, check your new email inbox for verification email from Epic Games. Click the verification link in that email to complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your Epic Games account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for assistance.